As you can see, I have got 12 TNC. As you can see, there are more surveys. When you level up, you will get more reward and practice experience.
Hello everyone, welcome again. This is your boy Aki with another latest way to make money with. If you want to get passive online income video or how to get money from home, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, and also smash the like button and get ready for the video. If you have comments, suggestion or question, let me know in the comment section. Keep watching up to the end so you don't miss any steps.
So guys, I have placed a link in the description below. Click the link and you will be redirected to this website, and click on the 3 dot here and change your browser into desktop mode. You will find a tab to discover the application in App Store and the Google Play Store. So click on Google Play if you have an Android, or click App Store if you have an Apple, and install the application and open it. When you open the application, the sign up and the login button will pop up. Click sign up and fill your email address, password. The password must be minimum length of 8. It should contain numbers, capital letter, special character, and confirm your password and submit it. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address. Check your email address and copy the verification code. When you close the application and come back again, it asks you to verify your identity via face recognition or fingerprint or the system passcode. Choose any of these verification processes to verify your identity. So paste the code here and proceed. Please enter your mobile number to continue the service. First, you should have to fill your country's prefix number and place your mobile number and submit it. Insert the mobile number used for your registration. Please note that you will not be able to verify mobile number if the SIM is not inserted in your device. After 3 minutes, please click resend button. If the code doesn't arrive after you submit, wait for 30 seconds or less. The verification code will arrive automatically and you don't have to do anything. The application will automatically verify itself. So again, go to the main page and log in again with your email address and the password. The first thing to do is to create wallet. Click on create wallet. You should have to create a passcode to this application on the system. Your passcode will be securely stored on the blockchain. Make sure you keep a copy of it. Confirm your wallet passcode and submit it. You should have to answer this simple question to pass this level 1 KYC profile. Choose your gender, fill your birthday and nationality, primary language. If you know additional language, you can also select up to 5 languages and select your country of residence and the city of residence. When you finish answering this question, the submit button will open to you to click and click submit. This application is a secure environment that aims to cater to the research and the marketing needs of every business. This application offers companies a platform where they can conveniently conduct survey and acquire data from real qualified respondents. By leveraging the use of blockchain technology and smart contracts, real research offers a highly secure, efficient and reliable ecosystem for data gathering. The main goal is to help business owners produce and deliver strong research backed up by real and unmanipulated data. In order to get more surveys and research questions, you should have to level up your KYC level. There are 9 levels. When you pass all the levels, you will get greater user experience and gain more rewards. As you can see, my balance is 0. There is a survey that pays 12 TNC. TNC is one of a coin that you can convert to Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, TRX. You can convert it to any kind of coin you want. Here there is a survey on a new pixel flavor product Coca-Cola. Please read and answer each question carefully and truthfully. If the system detects any doubtful response, you will not get the reward for this survey, and you will be prohibited to answer future surveys. Important thing to remember here is Read Research is conducting an honest check with a random question selected from the survey. This question will appear with shuffled answer. If you fail to choose the same answer as before, you will not receive rewards. Choose your answer truthfully and carefully. You can share your survey experience, or you can skip this process for submitting your experience. Then click collect reward. The application will redirect you to Telegram or YouTube, but you can exit from that page and get back to this application. After completing the question, you will be able to get your reward after confirming the transaction from the network. Scroll down, you will get the go to wallet button. Click on go to wallet button, and then as you can see, I have got 12 TNC. As you can see, there are more surveys. When you level up, you will get more reward and practice experience. Click on the 3 line. On this application, you can create your own survey by depositing money, make survey inquiry, you can refer your friends, family. You must complete your KYC level 3 to start your referral. Click on my wallet. Please secure your private key or passcode at all time. Read Research does not save your private key. In case you lose your private key, the team will not be able to help you regain access to your funds. Make sure to store your private key or passcode in a secure place. To view your private key, visit the setting menu on your app. Okay, proceed to your wallet, and as you can see, 1 TNC coin is almost 0.0011. I have 12 TNC from one survey I completed, so that will be $0.0133. You can create more wallets if you want: Ethereum wallet, Bitcoin wallet, Binance, Tron, XRP. This Tron and XRP wallet are coming soon. They will be opened soon, so you can create Bitcoin by clicking on create wallet button. If you already have a Bitcoin wallet, click import BTC wallet. So I will create Bitcoin wallet. Click on create BTC wallet. Remember your passcode. Your passcode will be securely stored on the blockchain. Make sure you copy a password and don't forget your password. You will lose your funds. I have 0 Satoshi. I haven't sent any kind of Satoshi to this wallet. I have only TNC coin. So here the transaction fee is high. As you can see, the transaction for any Satoshi you send is 0.000266963 BTC. So I will not suggest using BTC wallet on this application. I suggest you use TNC wallet. You can receive Bitcoin to this wallet. You can find your address by clicking receive button, and also send TNC to any kind of TNC wallet address. When you send TNC coin, there is a transaction fee. The transaction fee is 10 TNC. I suggest you don't withdraw minimum amount of TNC because the transaction fee is high for you. When you withdraw higher amount of TNC, the transaction fee will be less. So I suggest you to withdraw higher amount of TNC coins. You can get your BTC private key and reset TNC wallet passcode and reset app password by going to the setting. As I told you earlier, when you level up your KYC level, you will be rewarded more and get more survey questions. This is the best way to earn passive online income.
So that's it everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you how to earn. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay cool and have a great day.